Welcome to the Basic Introduction to Business Planning. Thank you for your interest in business planning and what we have to offer. I'm Dick Glassbrook, and I hope you find this short video useful. As the title states, this is a basic introduction. The intent of this video is to take you through the basic steps for business planning that will help you stand out from your competitors. It will not make you into a planning expert, but it will give you a foundation for your effort. Before we get started, I should tell you a little about the voice you will be hearing for the next 40 minutes. I'm Dick Glassbrook, the president of Capital Advanced Technology Services and CapitalStrategicPlanning.com. I'm the chief technology officer of another startup that is focused on using new or existing technology in innovative ways to solve problems. Plus, I'm one of the founders of a joint venture with one of my consulting clients. I have 2 master's degrees and various professional certifications, but more important to you and my clients is my 30 years of management experience, primarily in small to mid-sized businesses. The difference with many other consultants is that I haven't just studied and taught. I have been in the trenches developing and implementing business plans for a long time. I've started several businesses and helped others start and grow their businesses. I have also served in many leadership positions in volunteer organizations, including working on leadership development. Before we move on, there are 2 important disclaimers that need to be clear. My daughter is a lawyer and my son is a CPA. I am neither. Therefore, I may give you my opinion, but I cannot give you legal or financial advice. I recommend that as part of your plan, you find qualified legal and financial advice, plus any other specialized advisors that you need to help you in your particular market. Let's get started. This quote from Bradford and Duncan's book on strategic planning is critically important. Thinking is a very underrated skill. In strategy, you're dealing with significant issues, so it's important to take some time between meetings to do 3 things: gather information, digest information, and do your job. Just going through this video will only take about an hour, but hopefully you will spend time thinking about the topics that are covered here, including how you will avoid some of the pitfalls that I point out here at the beginning. Hopefully, if you have already started your business, you put some thought into your plan and only need to refine it through a more structured approach. Even better, if you haven't started your own business yet, take the time now to go through these planning steps as your first investment in starting your business. Spending the time now will save you time and money later. This list of business planning killers is too frequently applied as logic for avoiding the process of taking a realistic look at planning. The main reason for not planning or not doing a good job is not taking it seriously. The most common excuses include, "My business is unique. I'm doing fine so far. I don't have time, and things are changing too fast." These excuses are like saying, "The laws of physics don't apply to me." Amazingly, many people are more thorough planning their vacation than they are planning the much more sizable investment of time and money that is needed to start a new business or to grow an existing business. Analysis only with no implementation. All the planning in the world will do you no good if you don't or can't implement the plan. Analysis paralysis is not a good approach any more than ignoring the results of the business analysis. Analysis used to support preconceived ideas. Your analysis may support your initial ideas, but picking only the data that supports you and ignoring anything contrary is a surefire approach for disaster. The right people aren't involved in the process. Even if you are a one-person company, get other people involved. Know your own limitations. Listen to what other people say and weigh their comments and advice carefully. There is frequently tension between marketing, operations, and finance functions within a company that needs to be brought into balance. Don't make the process too complicated. Wherever possible, I recommend the keep it simple method. Add complexity only where it is needed and will actually provide a well-defined benefit. You can't make something of nothing. Pet rocks are the exception, not the rule. Make your business real and your product or service something with real value. You not only need a real product or service, you need a real plan. Okay, you don't think you have time, or you think you are unique or are doing fine, or you have a vision for your business and that is enough. You may be asking, really, what difference does it make? According to the Small Business Administration, half of all new businesses fail within the first few years. Some people put the fatality rate as high as 50% within the first year and 80 to 90% within the first 5 years. The two major reasons for business failure are a lack of a well thought out plan and lack of capital to achieve business objectives. By going through this video, you are taking the first step in putting together a good business plan. Developing a solid plan and then actually implementing the plan with measurable steps will be one way of significantly improving your chance of success. Going through the process may also convince you that you are in the wrong business or may not be ready to start your business yet. Either way, going through the process will help you avoid the pain of failure.